Within AsULearn, faculty can elect to use different types of course formats for their site. By default, it uses a topics format, so here you can see as you scroll down, the content is always displayed. If you want to change your format, as the teacher, you would go under the gear, go to Settings, scroll down, look for Course Format. When you click the arrow, it toggles this. So by default, I'm seeing the topics format. Many faculty like to use collapsed topics. So once you pick collapsed, scroll to the bottom, hit Save and Return. So how collapsed topics work, it creates a shorter list so it's not as long, it's less difficult to scroll through. Faculty often like to display everything open, so they have the option to click Open All. What many students prefer, though, is Close All. And with collapsed topics, each individual user can choose how they want it to display. So a faculty member might choose Open All, a student might choose Close, and then say, I want to look at this particular item. They would click the arrow, they could look at the content for that particular block, but the others would be collapsed. Another option that faculty have is something called the grid format. The grid format is a more visual approach. It allows faculty to upload images that create a grid of icons that students select. So as the teacher, I'm going to go under the gear, go to Settings, scroll down to Course Format. This time I'm going to select Grid from the list. Scroll to the bottom, hit Save and Return. So here you can see the placeholders for the various images, and then as the teacher, when I want to upload images, I would just click Turn Editing On, and here you can see it says Change Image. Click here, and then I can just click and drag an image, hit Save Changes, and so now that image would display, and students would click this to display the content. Another option available to faculty for course format is something called Kickstart. So if I go under the gear to Settings, go to Course Format, I can choose Kickstart Format, and then Save and Display. And these are just some templates that are available to faculty on campus. So I'm going to select this 2021 template. So I click Use Template, Import, and then it automatically adds some content here. So I can see this Policy and Resources book tool that's already been created. It also adds a block that I can edit with instructor information, student services, and various support services. With the Kickstart option, it is an import feature, so you can add it to an existing course or start with a blank new course. I hope this helps.